Only one cellular network offers free medical rescue and advice with all contracts. Just in case. Cell C for yourself.
Escape while you can. Run, run, go now, run. All systems running.
Podcasting almost live. Adam Curry. Yeah. The power of pure intellect.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the Daily Source Code. Today is Thursday, December 16th, 2004, coming to you from Curry Cottage in the United Kingdom, in the lovely, affluent Surrey town of Guildford. It's the Source Code.
The power of pure intellect.
I'm Adam Curry, and I've got the sniffles. I don't know what this is, man. It's like, I thought I was done this season with flu and stuff, and it's not. Nothing else bothers me. It's all it is 100% snot. Hope I could paint a pretty picture there for you. Once again, it's about 40 minutes of users and developers partying together. Got some nerdy stuff to talk about today. Some pod-safe music. In fact, one of my favorite bands, Mo Jones, going to play something by them later on, and also have a bit of Coverville I want to share with you.
Lois, 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 for girls and boys.
Lois corduroy jackets, Lois corduroy broeken, Lois jeans jackets, Lois jeans broeken. L-O-I-S, Lois, zit als gegoten.
Lois, 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 for girls and boys.
Verkrijgbaar in het Dumpaleis, Nieuwedijk 153 in Amsterdam.
Lois, 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 for girls and boys.
Hello everybody, this is Dawn and Drew Show for December 14th. I'm Dawn Maselli.
And I'm Drew Domkis.
You hear that? I was being very professional.
For like a half a second.
Until I talk about it, yeah.
Yeah.
So apparently, we're too hot for NPR.
I guess so.
So today, for the show...
NPR?
NPR. Did I say M?
I think so.
Did I?
I think so.
People are like, what the fuck is NPR? Okay, N.
Milwaukee Public Radio.
Oh yeah, maybe I did say M. I used to listen to NPR.
Okay.
Anyway, we're too hot for them. So we're gonna tone it down, way down, to be acceptable to the masses.
We are?
Yeah, no more saying fuck and
Hey everybody, welcome to the Delta Park Project. My name is Jason Ruby.
Word up, I'm Paul Scherzinger. Welcome to our Kwanzaa and all the other made-up ones.
Next week.
Sure,
Not
next
this week. I mean, let's get serious for a minute.
Who's kidding who?
Again, the show, until after Christmas anyway, sponsored by chickenchow.com. T-shirts made by chickens.
Yes.
Evidently in the basement.
Yeah, we get a cut for every shirt that's sold.
Yeah, like a nickel or something.
A plug nickel.
Yeah, it helps pay for bandwidth.
And that's expensive.
I guess so. I don't really know how that works.
Speaking of bandwidth, what about that, John?
Time for music.
What a difference a day made. 24 little hours, but the sun and the flowers where there used to be rain. My yesterday was blue, dear. Today I'm a part of you, dear. My lonely nights are through, dear. Since you said you were mine, what a difference a day made. There's a rainbow before me. Skies above can't be stormy. Since that moment of bliss, that thrilling kiss, it's heaven when you find romance on your menu. What a difference a day made. And the difference is you.